The boat sank early Wednesday. It's believed it was carrying about 30 people, many of them believed to be Haitian. Officials believe those on the boat were trying to flee the desperately poor Haiti.
Cinematics mixtapes.
DJ Grady. So back in the day, Haitians eat gas. Now we in the trap, boy, we getting big stacks. We say Haitian New Year, bitch, I been reppin' from the start. Who connaît nous enragé, bitch, I don't think you wanna start. Translation, bitch, I'm local, I rip that shit apart. Never disclaim who I am, cause it's tatted in my heart. We say Haitian New Year, bitch, I been reppin' from the start. Who connaît nous enragé, bitch, I don't think you wanna start. Translation, bitch, I'm local, I rip that shit apart. Never disclaim who I am, cause it's tatted in my heart. One time for them Haitians, got to put it back to Haiti. To my cousin Sam, I'm gon' get you out of Haiti. The ones that lost their life on that trip here trying to make it. You know a nigga, so bitch, I ain't really gotta say it. I been putting on for every Haitian getting cream. Flagged up every day like it's 518. Bitch, I rep on 4 in front of that 18. Respect a nigga gangster, cause we heavy on the scene. I be on my grind, bitch, I do it for my zone. For my Haitians grinding hard, getting money by the load. By the ones back in Haiti, struggle, still living poor. I love where I'm from, so I thought I'd let them know. Bitch, I do it for my Haitians, my Haitians, my Haitians. I do it for my Haitians, my Haitians, my Haitians. I do it for my Haitians, my Haitians, my Haitians. I do it for my Haitians, I love my Haitian flag. I remember niggas hating Haitians back up in the day. Never ran from that beef, we would fight when niggas hate. When it came to the fight, man, them niggas knew to play. Know we bout that drama, I could get that boy erased. Man, you ought to think twice for a pussy nigga runner. Big boy K, and that clip look like a bunner. Hook eating good, talking paso in that bunner. Haitian flags high, cause us Haitians on the come up. In the way to grind, talking heavy for that l'argent. Little kids and haters starving, talking like Elijah. When it's time to beef, boy, I go and see the gun. Once a nigga got it, boy, we heavy doing numbers. I be on my grind, bitch, I do it for my zone. For my Haitians grinding hard, getting money by the load. By the ones back in Haiti, struggle, still living poor. I love where I'm from, so I thought I'd let them know. Bitch, I do it for my Haitians, my Haitians, my Haitians. I do it for my Haitians, my Haitians, my Haitians. I do it for my Haitians, my Haitians, my Haitians. I do it for my Haitians, I love my Haitian flag. Back in the day, the sales Haitians eat cat. Now we in the trap, boy, we getting big stacks. Back in the day, the sales Haitians eat cat. Now we in the trap, boy, we getting big stacks.